Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and see your trade history in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com if you have not already. If you're using the mobile device, just go ahead and open up the application itself. So once you've opened it up, you're going to see this join eToro button that's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one, or just go ahead and log in the upper right corner using the login button that's going to enable you to go ahead and get into your account. So once you logged in, you are going to see your profile picture icon right here in the upper right corner that's going to enable you to open up your portfolio, dashboard and wallet. And now we can go and take a look at the steps right here on how to see our investment history and trading history. So we're going to click on the portfolio tab in the left hand sidebar. So here at the left side you're going to see your portfolio option, and you can just go ahead and open up your profile picture right here and open up your dashboard and portfolio direct from there. And then you're going to click my portfolio in the menu at the top of the screen. From there, once you've opened up your portfolio, is going to appear a button that says click history. So this is going to be the history button you want to click on, and once you've opened it up, it's going to open up a history of all the trades and all the investments that you have made using your eToro account. And that is how it's done. You're always going to go ahead and be able to find it in the same place. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.